Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a case study on our client's carpet cleaning service. We have successfully achieved over 600 leads at the CPA of only 18. But first, let's take a look at the size of the carpet business market. In 2023, the worldwide carpet cleaner market was worth around $627 million. The iMark group predicts that it will grow to $1,061 million by 2032, with a steady increase of 5.84% each year from 2024 to 2032. The client approached us after watching our videos on YouTube and was also disappointing experience with the previous agency. Their high spending did not yield the satisfactory results with the low conversions. Upon examining their account, we have identified issues such as to use the broad match keywords, the poor ads, and the lack of targeted audience. Conversion tracking and the bid adjustments was also neglected. Leveraging our proven records on Google AdWords, we audited the account and then we have rectified these mistakes and devised a strategic plan to improve conversions. Our goal is to deliver successful outcomes for our client. To meet this goal, we have implemented a comprehensive Google AdWords campaign tailored to the carpet cleaning industry. Our approach includes the following key elements. We have conducted an extensive keyword search to identify high conversion keywords relevant to the carpet cleaning services. This ensured that our ads were displayed to users who are actively seeking the carpet cleaning. We have created compelling ad copies that highlighted the business expertise, services, and the benefits of professional carpet cleaning. We have emphasized the value of clean carpets to attract potential clients. The campaign was geographically targeted to reach users specifically in the areas served by the carpet cleaning business. This ensured that the ads reach a relevant local business or the local audience. We have utilized the ad extensions such as the site link and the callout extension to provide additional information and enhance the ad visibility. These extensions also help improve the CTR. We have continuously monitored and adjusted bid strategies to maintain a cost-effective campaign while maintaining the lead generation based on the keyword performance. We have implemented the conversion tracking to measure the success of the campaign, understanding which keywords and the ads were driving the most leads and optimizing accordingly. The Google AdWords campaign yielded exceptional results for the carpet cleaning business. The top converting keywords are carpet cleaning near me, carpet cleaning service. The campaign consistently generated over 600 plus high quality leads, connecting potential clients with the carpet cleaning services. The campaign successfully maintained a CPA of 18.15 euros, meeting the cost efficiency goal. The business gained increased brand visibility and recognition in the competitive carpet cleaning industry. The return on investment from the Google AdWords campaign was highly favorable, making it a cost-effective marketing channel for the client. Our Google AdWords campaign successfully met the goal of generating 600 plus consistent leads for the carpet cleaning business with the CPA of 18.15 euros. By implementing a strategic approach that included the keyword search, the ad optimization, the location targeting, the ad extensions, the bid management, and the conversion tracking, we were able to drive remarkable results and contribute to the growth of the business.